OMDA stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Omda Health stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I have seen what's working for me and what's not. When I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. Bro, it's all on my YouTube channel. In OMDA, we don't have much data, but even with this some limited amount of data that we have, for me, it's not a bullish trend. Let's put it this way, right? Like, yeah, we came down, broke structure bearish here. If there is a second break beneath lower beneath 1675, then this is still something that I will look to take further down. But like randomly selling will not be happening. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. And if you want to stay tuned and get my free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. Cheers.